Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Caddy server for automatic HTTPS on VPS. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by accessing your VPS using SSH. Use the command SSH your username at your server IP. Once logged in, update your package list. Use the command sudo apt update. Next, install Caddy server. Use the command sudo apt install ycaddy. After installation, check if Caddy is running. Use the command sudo systemctl status caddy. If Caddy is not running, start it with sudo systemctl start caddy. Next, enable Caddy to start on boot with the command sudo systemctl enable caddy. Now, you'll need to configure Caddy to serve your website. Navigate to the Caddy file located at /etc/caddy/caddy file. Open the Caddy file in a text editor, like Nano. Use the command sudo nano /etc/caddy/caddy file. In the Caddy file, enter your domain name. For example, yourdomain.com. Next, specify the root directory of your website. Add the line root *var/www/html. Now, for automatic HTTPS, simply add the reverse proxy for your application. For example, reverse_proxy localhost 3000. Close the block with a closing brace. It should look like this: yourdomain.com, root *var/www/html reverse_proxy localhost 3000. Save and exit the editor. In Nano, you can do this by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, and finally enter. Next, test your Caddy file for syntax errors. Use the command sudo caddy validate. If there are no errors, reload Caddy to apply the changes. Use the command sudo systemctl reload caddy. Now, check your domain in a web browser. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.